open some smiskis with me. Let's see. Wait. For the Sunday series, I want the cat one, the cat laying on its stomach, the sprout one, or the secret. Anyway, I already opened one, so I got myself 2 of them. What's this? The guitar? This is my boyfriend. He likes to play the guitar. Okay. Okay, hopefully this is the secret. I'm so scared. No, I got 2 guitars. It's okay, it's cutie though. From the moving series, I want any of them. So honestly, I don't have any of them, so I don't care what I get. Ooh, it's carrying a ladder. Just wait, you hold them all.